The Ipsos survey exclusive to Global News shows 71% of Canadians are worried about the fourth wave of COVID-19, and they are especially more concerned about it delaying a return to normal. That number is up 7% since the last poll in July. More than half of Canadians, 53%, believe the fourth wave of COVID will be the worst yet, while 37% believe people are overreacting.
What this is showing is that Canadians are afraid of what's going to happen, but they also have, I would say, an adjusted set of sentiments about COVID, in the sense that they think that we need to be doing more to learn how to live with it, particularly if it's not perceived to be fatal with the disease. We need to get into some form of normality. But even if we're prepared to do that, we're still, a majority of us, prepared to impose lockdowns if it's required, if things do get out of hand. In fact, we're talking about majorities in every instance, even people who are voting for the Conservative Party, supporting things like more lockdowns if we're deep into a fourth wave, or mandatory vaccines. So it's a level of magnitude of difference among the political parties rather than absolute difference. So in this survey, we found that 70% of the people that we interviewed said, maybe we should be learning to live with more active COVID cases as long as hospitals are overwhelmed. Or the spread of less serious COVID-19 cases is acceptable in order to live without restrictions. Well, almost half of us agree with that. So what we're seeing is I would say, a more nuanced public opinion environment around this issue than where we're saying, say, for example, a year ago.
And those concerns are being seen on the campaign trail. 68% of Canadians say we shouldn't be having an election in a pandemic. That's up 10 points since the last time they were asked.